Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in HubSpot. Landing pages are essential for capturing leads and driving conversions. So let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign into your account using your credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to get access to all the features. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the HubSpot dashboard where you can access all your marketing tools. Now look over to the left side menu and hover over or click on the option labeled Content. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your content management. From here, locate and click on Landing Pages. This takes you directly into the Landing Pages editor where you can view all your existing pages and create new ones. To start building your new landing page, click the Create or Create Landing Page button. This initiates the page creation process and brings you to the template selection screen. HubSpot offers a variety of pre-designed templates to choose from, so browse through them and select one that aligns with your campaign goals and brand style. Once you've found the right template, click on it to open the editor. In the editor, you'll first need to set your page details. Enter a compelling page title in the header field at the top. This title is important for organization and SEO purposes. You'll also want to enter a page slug or URL if it's editable. Make sure this URL is clean and SEO friendly, as it will be the web address people use to access your landing page. Now it's time to customize the content. Click on any text block to edit titles, subtitles, and body copy. Replace the placeholder text with your own messaging that speaks directly to your audience. To update images, simply click on any image block and upload your own visuals that align with your brand and campaign objectives. When you're satisfied with your content, it's important to set your page visibility and publishing options. Choose whether you want to save it as a draft or publish it immediately. Depending on your HubSpot plan, you may also have the option to schedule a publish date for future campaigns. Before going live, click the preview button to see how your landing page looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures everything displays correctly and provides a seamless user experience across all screen sizes. Finally, when everything looks perfect, click the Publish button to make your landing page live. Once published, you can monitor its performance through HubSpot's analytics tools and make improvements based on the data you collect. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.